everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this moss stitch ear warmer with a twist front. I just thought this was the most adorable design, so I decided to do a quick tutorial on it. If you guys are interested in learning how to make this, then continue watching. For supplies, you will need some yarn, and I have some medium worsted weight yarn. I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby, and it's in the color Glacier. And you're going to need a 5.5mm hook, it's the eye hook, pair of scissors, and of course one of these needles. Okay, to begin, I'm just going to go ahead and do a slip knot. And this will work with multiples of 2, and then you just add 1. So for this design, I'm going to chain up 15, so that's 14 plus 1. Okay, that's 15. Okay, so this is going to be how wide it is right here. And to begin your first round, we're going to slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. That's 1 and then 2. Slip stitch. Okay, and then the next one is a half double crochet in the next chain. Okay, next one is a slip stitch. And then the next is a half double crochet. And that is all, folks. That's the repeating pattern here. Oops. I don't know why I just go into the habit of making a single crochet, but it's a slip stitch, okay? Don't forget. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, and then slip stitch, half double, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, and then you will end with a half double crochet. In each row you will end with a half double crochet, and you will begin with a slip stitch in every row. Okay, that's the beginning. Now to begin the next round, chain 1 and then turn your work around. Okay, now first thing you're going to do is a slip stitch, and it's going to be with the very first chain here. So slip stitch, and then of course your half double crochet, slip stitch, half double, slip stitch, half double, slip stitch, and then half double. Okay, I'm sure you guys get the gist now, but this is how easy this pattern is for this ear warmer design. I hate when I mess up like that. Half double, slip stitch, and then finish with a half double. For some reason this is always the harder one for me to do because it's in a corner, you know. Just have to be patient. Okay, there you go. Get up through both loops and complete your half double. And so this is basically the moss stitch. As you continue on with this pattern, you will see how pretty it is. You'll see how textured it is. So I did a chain 1. Now I'm going to start off with a slip stitch, and then, as you know it, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double, So you will have 14 total stitches all the way across each time, alternating between slip stitches and half double crochet. You're going to go ahead and continue this pattern until you reach a length of around 18 inches or so, depending on the size you want. But for these, I did 18 inches when you measure, you know, across. I will come back and show you how to do the twisted portion of the ear warmer as soon as I'm done with this. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I just completed my row, and it does measure out exactly to be 18 inches or so. So that should be perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut off kind of a long tail, this much, and go ahead and tie off. Perfect. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. How pretty this looks. So I'm going to kind of zoom you in, but let's fold it this way. Okay, I got you zoomed in here. So now let's just go ahead and thread your needle. Okay, perfect. And this is how I'm going to do the twist front. So go ahead and hold it up like this. Okay, kind of like folding it in half. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put these together like so. See that? I'm going to turn it this way since my yarn is this way and I'm right-handed. But this is how we're going to make that twist front. So this is what we'll do. We'll just go ahead and start to sew this together. I promise you it'll come out cute. So I go ahead and go this way. And just go ahead and just thread through. Make sure you get all 4 sections. Okay, I made it to the other side. I'll just go ahead and tie these together, the tail from one side. Then just to be sure that this stays, I'm going to go ahead and yarn, sew this across the other way. I'm going to sew it this way now. Whoops. How easy is this, right? Okay. I am done. I'm just going to put in a knot here just to secure it. Then if you want, you can just go ahead and hide this tail between here and cut off the excess yarn. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. So I'm going to fold this inside out. And here is your twist front ear warmer. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, I love the colors too. Oh, this is so cute. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Just, so you can get future how-to videos from me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.